Hi, people. This is Inera. I'm going to sing Animal Instinct by the Cranberries, my favorite band ever since. Hope you guys will like this one. Suddenly something has happened to me as I was having my cup of tea. Suddenly I was feeling depressed. I was utterly, totally stressed. Do you know you make me cry? Oh, oh. Do you know you made me die? And the things that get to me, you don't ever really see. And the things that freak me out, it don't never be in doubt. Is it a lovely thing that we have? Is it a lovely thing that we? Is it a lovely thing? The animal instinct. Ooh, 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 ooh. So take my hand and come with me. We will change reality. So take my hands and we will pray. They will take you away. They will never make me cry. Oh, oh. They will never make me die. And the things that get to me, it will never really see. And the things that freak me out, it will always be in doubt.